Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. Storage bags come in all shapes and sizes, but these ones from FoodSaver are my favorite. These are vacuum seal bags, and of course, the vacuum sealing function is my favorite. I can't tell you how many times I have stored something in a regular storage bag or a container only to check a few days later and it's spoiled. Honestly, it's like the worst feeling ever. With these bags, I've had stuff in my fridge for over a month. Yes, over a month, like this tomato paste, for example. And not only has it remained fresh, but it's still vacuumed after all this time. These bags are also great quality. The plastic is nice and thick, and the zipper locks really well so that if I store things that might have liquids in them, I don't have to worry about leaks. And because it has such great features, I've been able to store so many different kinds of foods in there, which ensures that nothing goes to waste. I also love that these are reusable. Depending on what I put in there, I can easily rinse it out, let it dry, and use it again and repeat, which helps me to cut down even more on waste. And guess what? Even if you don't have the vacuum, they still work great. So if you're a food hoarder like I am, and you hate wasting your food and wasting your money, I highly recommend giving these a try. I definitely love them, and that's my point of view.